Hello everybody, this is just a very quick video to give you a limited time discount code on ISOtunes if you're interested. If you're not familiar, ISOtunes is the brand of hearing protection that I've been wearing for years. Of course I wear them in the shop, but I also wear them when I'm traveling, when I'm working out, or when I'm doing yard work. They are OSHA compliant, but they're also Bluetooth, so I always have access to music, a podcast, or even an audiobook whenever I'm using them. Right now they have 3 bundle packages going on for Father's Day, where when you buy the Pros or the Extras, you not only get the ISOtunes, but also a hat and a 5-pack of replacement ear tips. In addition to the bundles, which is already great savings, my friends over at ISOtunes have given me a code for you to get $10 off the individual models. So if you would just like the headphones, then you can use my code April at checkout and get $10 off any one of the models. Now the bundles will be available until June the 9th, but my special code to get you $10 off the individual models will only be available for the next 2 days. So you have until June the 2nd to take advantage of that, and then until June the 9th to take advantage of the bundles. Links are down in the description for you. If you need a Father's Day gift or want to request one, I can't recommend these enough. I wholeheartedly believe in not only this company, but also this product. I use them on a daily basis in so many aspects of my life. Then, on a completely different note, I have free shipping on all of my merch for the next 2 days, today and tomorrow. So if you've been wanting a shirt or a hat or any of my other merch, then take advantage of it because that offer is for today and tomorrow only. All right, and that's it for this one. I hope everybody's having a great week, being productive, and I'll see you soon.